I'm back in my craft room. I'm gonna give you a haul of everything I ended up getting at Ollie's. Alright, let's head inside Ollie's and see what we can find. Right away, I spotted the craft supply section, and you guys, so many things were marked down to just $1, with other sections ranging from $1 to $3.99. The first thing that caught my eye was the cardstock stash. They had paper packs from American Crafts, Astro Designs, and Recollections. I was honestly surprised at the huge variety of patterns and colors. Most of them were 12 by 12 inch cardstock. Y'all know I love working with my Cricut machines, and cardstock is one of my favorite materials to work with, so this was really hard to resist. I even found glitter paper pads for only 25 cents. Yes, you heard that right. A quarter. That's an insane deal. Can you believe I even spotted Cricut supplies? Not dupes, but the actual brand. They had Cricut Smart Vinyl in a few colors, plus boxes filled with other brand vinyl for only $2. And I even saw some smart vinyl of the size compatible with the Cricut Joy. Right next to that were these Cricut Infusible ink blank t-shirts, perfect for sublimation too. They also had big packs of the insert cards that you can customize with your cutting machine. Another favorite find were these sticky dot packs from American Craft. I also came across small organizers from We Are Makers, tons of washi tape patterns, a giant roll of elastic, a sewing storage basket, scissors, cutting mats, quilting pins, iron-on fusing web, thimbles, safety pins, seam rippers, needles, even cute seasonal pre-cut fabric. And really, there was a little bit of everything. I saw yarn, loom kits, paper making supplies, paper punches, stamp pads, chalk markers, stamp kits, stickers, poster making supplies, paper clips, and envelopes. If you go to the stationery section near the coloring books, you will also find more craft supplies. In this store, I found paint bottles, polymer clay kits, glitter packs, flower pressing kits, stained glass kits, and I even saw these Sneed brush lettering starter sets for only $1. And for the big finds, they even had a mink foil applicator machine, paper storage racks, and glass cutting mats. Honestly, I'm kind of regretting leaving that foil machine behind now, but it's okay. Let's take a closer look of what I ended up bringing home. Okay, so I'm back in my craft room. I'm gonna give you a haul of everything I ended up getting at Ollie's. Just to clarify, this is about 2 to 3 trips worth of stuff. I did notice they restock their craft supply section pretty often, so be sure to check throughout the week or maybe every other week. That's how I was able to hunt all of these good stuff. I'm gonna start with this bag right here. The first thing I got were these sticky dots from American Crafts. I actually went back and restocked on these. I used them for some paper projects and they worked really well. It was only $1 per pack and each pack has 150 dots. So far, I've used them to make some cake toppers and a birthday banner, and I love them. They worked really well and they're very sticky, which is great. So I did get a few packs of those. Here's some other 3 packs. They did have a huge box filled with them, so I did not take all of them, okay? The next thing I got were these glitter jars. They come in a pack of 12. Oh, actually it's 24. It says 12 jars of the confetti glitter and 12 of the chunky glitter. So in total, there's 24 in this pack, which is crazy for $2.99. That's a great deal. These will be nice to use for shaker cake toppers. I also got this medium punch by Egg Tools. This one is a 1/2 inch square punch, which I thought it was really nice. It's also from American Crafts, so it was also $1. Okay, moving on, I got 2 colors of the Smart Vinyl rolls. They are both removable vinyl. One is yellow, the other one is blue. This is a 12-foot roll for $2.99, which is an amazing price because you know how pricey smart vinyl can get. If you've never heard of smart materials, it's basically materials that you can load into your Cricut without having to use a cutting mat. So it pretty much eliminates one step, which is pretty convenient. Let's see what else we got in here. I did get 3 pairs of scissors. I thought they were so pretty and cute. As a crafter, you just can't get enough scissors. You're always losing them. These are also from American Crafts. So I got this one in teal, this one in pink, and this one in a gold color. And these were also $1. Get the last bag. Okay, I'm actually really happy I found this. It's a microwave flower press by Recollections. And if you're familiar with your craft stores, you know Recollections comes from Michael's. This was originally $21.99 and I only got it for $2.99. That's like 90% savings, which is awesome. It's basically a flower press that you can use with your microwave and parchment paper. I'm excited to test this out. The next thing I got was this paper pack from Recollections as well. So it's also from Michael's, and this was only $1.99 and it comes with 58 sheets, which is crazy because these usually retail for about $15 to $20 if they're not on sale. This was originally $19.99, but I got it for $1.99. Again, 90% savings. Super awesome deal. This is really nice cardstock and it comes with a bunch of cute patterns. I did find other paper packs. They were solid neutral colors, which I love because I use them very often. So I did take advantage and took a few home with me. I did remove them from their original packaging because I wanted to sort them out by colors. I saved the best finds for last. These are some paper racks that I found. They were only $3.99, and with Joann's closing down, that's probably why we've been finding a lot of good stuff in their craft supply section. It was just a perfect find because it matches my craft room. I'm super excited for these. Look how cute. I'm actually gonna unbox it for you so you can see what it looks like. That was actually really easy. We'll see how well this holds up, but I'm pretty sure it should be pretty sturdy since it's made out of metal. Oh, look, it slides. What? That's so cool. These fit my 12 by 12 cardstock perfectly, and I love how easy it is to slide each rack in and out. This Ollie's really had it all, from paper crafts to sewing and even Cricut brand supplies at crazy good prices. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me for this haul. Have you ever been to an Ollie's before? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time with a new DIY.